Hello guys, welcome to Slidell, Louisiana. Today I'm going to be catching the southbound Crescent train number 19. I will get to you when it gets a lot closer. I can see the train in the distance. Usually, I haven't done a night video in an extremely long time. I just met P. LaRosse. Yeah, I met him in person. He's the guy who gave me the shirt. I shouted him out recently. And yeah, I just met him. He works for the Amtrak. He's very nice. Definitely one of my favorite engineers. Yeah, he's hopping on the Crescent today to go down to New Orleans. And I believe he's going to be on the Mobile route. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking so you can enjoy it though. Here are the Viewliners. Look at the water. Yeah. What's up? Good. Huh?
Good night?
Yeah.
Good deal.
And fleets. Brakes. I love how the AM fleets. Don't think anyone's getting on here. That's sad. There, I love how the AM fleets have this. I think I'm gonna go up a little bit. Look at this axle. Here it goes. See you later. And the Viewliners, my favorite part. Viewliner 2. Viewliner 2. I love Viewliner 2s. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Astro Brady out. I love that chuffing sound. Coming all the way from New York. Anyways, yeah, bye. Astro Brady out.